Hello friends, Namaskara, Kem Cho, Sasri Akal, Vanakkam and Jai Shri Ram. Friends, today we are going to talk on some stocks which can give you quick and high returns. In this video we will talk of the stocks which have a profit booking strategy, and with the help of the charts we will try and find out whether we can buy these stocks or not. Friends, welcome to upcoming shares, and I am Anil Sharma. Let's friend go and talk about our stocks. Friends, one thing I would like to say, that whenever we buy a stock, what do we buy? Whenever we buy a stock, we buy a dream. With keeping that in mind always, I buy the stock. Now today what dream I have with me is that in next 2 months time, that means before 28th of February, the stocks which I buy, actually all the stocks I have purchased already yesterday, all the stocks which I buy necessarily will give me approximately 10 to 15% by February 28th. February 28th is the budget of the Government of India, and 27th I will quit if required. Fine. So friends, here first we check on the Nifty. Actually, what is the condition of the Nifty? Nifty, if you really see here, this I have taken actually the weekly chart of 6 months of Nifty. Let me make it for a little more clarity, 1 year chart here. Fine. So this chart actually we have seen, if you see friends here in this chart, okay, so both these are telling that price of the Nifty is likely to go up. And why not? Actually, if you ask me, in another say about 10 days time, fine, the result season will be on by about 14th of January. The Q3 results, that means October to December results will come, and Nifty actually is preparing for it. So let's hope so that Nifty gives us leverage and helps us to buy the stocks we are actually thinking about. So friends, the first stock is IRFC. This stock IRFC I have chosen for a very simple reason, is the results of Q2 were great. Results of Q2 were great, and if you really see, this stock actually has already given a buy signal somewhere around here. Okay, that time the price was around say 30-31 rupees, and it is still continuing, and the price is 33. It has not gone much up. Okay, if you see the direction, both the direction is on our wristwatch. This is the wristwatch I have, 10 minutes past 10. So it is a good buy according to me. Nevertheless friends, whenever there will be a cross between the price line, blue price line, and the red moving average of 2, I will quit. So that is our understanding, and stock should be in the uptrend. One thing more friends I would like to say here, the stock is actually making a very long term on weekly charts inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is indicating the price from here can conveniently go up to 42, 45 from here in a short run. Nevertheless, if there is a cross, we will quit. The next stock actually friends which we are taking is Rail Vikas Nigam. Fine, this also is showing a good buy situation, because both price and the moving averages both are parallel to each other and going on the wristwatch at 10 minutes past 10. Good buy here. Stock is in the uptrend. It has done very well in Q2, indicating buy. Take your decision whether to buy or not. I have the stocks. Titlagarh Wagon, another good stock. Fine, is giving it is in a buy signal, although buy signal was somewhere around 190, and today it is 228. The stock actually has already taken the momentum, and momentum now is decreasing. So be little careful that if there is a cross on this, you will have to exit and re-enter if you get a chance before the budget later. The stock you can see is in the uptrend at present. Okay, And finally, we have with us IRCON. IRCON is in the uptrend, fine. And if you really see, it had given buy somewhere around say 58. I'm sorry, 58, still continuing. It is 61. It has not gone much. And this also is in the process of forming. This is one shoulder, this is another shoulder, and this is head. So this, in such a situation, the stock can conveniently go from, if it has gone from 49 to 60, that means it has done about for 11 rupees. So 11 rupees you can add up to 71, 72 rupees, it can very easily go. So friends, this was actually our story of the day. The story of the day was that stock is in the uptrend, they are good stocks, they have done Q2 very well, expected Q3 will do very well, and as you know, all the railway stocks are in focus before the budget. So tighten up your seat belt, realize your dream with it, and earn about 10 to 15% or more in next 2 months time. So friends, that is the story which I have to tell you today. I hope you like the story. Please do comment. And Mr. Bajpai, for your information, I must tell you here, all these stocks are at present in my watch. It is showing 1136, and the rate which is shown here also is at 1136. It is neither lagging nor it is the rate. The rate will come in the future. So that's all about to tell you. So friends, have a nice day. Remain in the share market, earn in the share market, and there is tons of money. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.